Let's make lobster mac and cheese for someone very special. In a skillet, melt butter, then add flour. Mix everything up. Next, add milk and stir that in. After, add cheeses and spices. Give it a good mix. And voila, the sauce is ready. Now let's prepare our lobster. We're gonna cut cooked lobster over the top and then remove the shell. Next, we're gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces, just like you see it here. Next, take your cooked pasta and put it in a baking dish. Add the sauce and lobster meat and give it a good stir. Then sprinkle some cheese over the top and bake at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. Your lobster mac and cheese is ready to be served. Enjoy it with extra lobster meat over the top, and that's it. See you next time. Bye!